have the newly launched Vivo X50 Pro with us, and I'm gonna unbox this with you today. So this is the packaging of the X50 Pro, and if you see, it says 5G over here, and at the back it says made in India, which is a plus point. So let's start unboxing. So right after you open the box, we see the phone over here, which I'll speak about it later. But over here you see X50 Pro and photography redefined words written. So now the X50 Pro is a camera oriented smartphone, and it has a gimbal setup inside it, which is a never seen before feature. So yeah, that's about the phone. And inside we see a charging brick. These are your earphones. These are your basic pair of earphones. This is a free silicone case that we get inside the box. Then we have a SIM ejector tool and a basic manual. And this is your charging cable, which is a C-type charging cable. So yeah, that's about the box. Now coming back to the phone, let me just keep this away. Now coming back to the phone, if you see, this is a very sleek design, and it's looking really very beautiful to me at least. And the color X50 Pro only comes in one color variant, which is the alpha gray. And if you see, it has a slight gradient from bottom to top. It goes from dark gray to light gray. And this is also a matte finish phone, and it has a glass back. So let me just boot this phone to show you what's inside. And until it's getting booted, I'll just show you the design. At this side, it has the usual volume rockers and a power button over here. Below, if you see, this is a completely flat design with a SIM tray and a C-type charging port and speakers. On the top, you see it has a secondary microphone and 5G professional photography branded over here. So yeah, the phone has started now. Let me just set this up. Speaking about the display, this phone features a curved OLED display with 90Hz of refresh rate and comes in a 2K resolution. The Vivo X50 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 765G and offers 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Now, for the camera, the smartphone comes with a quad camera setup and houses an inbuilt stabilization system. The camera setup has a 48MP Sony IMX598 sensor, a 13MP portrait lens, a 8MP telescopic lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide angle lens. For selfies, it scores a 32MP punch-hole front camera, and in terms of battery, the Vivo X50 Pro is equipped with a 4315 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging. So guys, this was the unboxing and detailed specs of the X50 Pro. We've just got our hands on the phone today, so we'll need some time to use this phone and test its limits. But we'll be coming back with a detailed review very soon. Until then, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we